Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. So today I am working on some wheel and tire options for my Element RC, and I think I finally came across an option that I like for this rig. Now I've always imagined this truck as kind of the moonshiner truck, the truck that runs shine through the hills of Carolinas. So I thought about going with an aggressive style tire like I normally do, but you know what? I think I'm actually going to try something different. So for this I picked up the Incision Method wheels 1.9s. They have a great price and the look of them kind of has that classic look to them. I have the same wheel actually on my VS 410. And for tires I'm going to go with these BF Goodrich. These are all-terrain KO2 1.9 G8s. They're actually not as tall and they're not as wide as what I'm used to. The tread pattern on these is very cool. I like the way they look. And there's really nice detail around the side wall. Now here's where the big difference is going to come in, is just the size. When you look at the heights of the different tires, you can see that these Proline tires are very short as compared to, say, the Traxxas stock tire. And a little bigger than that would be the BF Goodrich, the Crawler TA tire. And when you look at them from the side, you can see the BF Goodrich is considerably more narrow. But for the look that I'm trying to get with this truck, this is going to be a great tire. So I'm going to go ahead, get the wheels mounted on, and get this hooked up onto my rig. So for these wheels, these are great. They feel great. They're not very heavy, but they are all aluminum. All of the hardware that you need is included, and the center hub is on there as well. Some Vanquish wheels that you have to buy the center hub separate. This actually comes with the center hub. Two of the screws that hold the hub on are already installed. I like to actually back those out though and put fresh screws in. I don't know if from shipping or whatnot, but they oxidize a little bit, have a little bit of black on the inside. So I like to get all new screws put in. So I'll do that and get these screws installed. Alright, so the screws have been installed. I'm going to go ahead and put these onto the tire. And this is real simple as well. The back ring is held on with 5 screws. So to get these in, the center ring simply pops into the tire. Make sure you get it seated in there really well. Then you put your top wheel piece into the center ring. Make sure it pops in. Again, make sure everything's seated real well. Flip it around, put on the rear ring, and simply start to screw it back in. You want to make sure you're using a star pattern. This way the wheels aren't wobbly. And if you feel any resistance, stop screwing. Make sure your screws are aligned to the hole. Don't want to strip out anything with these. Everything should go in nice and easy. If not, back everything out, start over. And with all the screws in, here's the completed tire. Now just got to do these, of course, for all 4 sides, and they'll be ready to mount onto the truck. Alright guys, so here it is. Overall, I think it looks great. I think the wheels and tires give it that look that I was going for. I'll have to get used to driving with a smaller, more narrow tire, but I think it's really going to be a fun rig to drive. Alright guys, so that's about it for the wheel and tire installation on my Element RC. If you like what you saw, please click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day. I'll see you all soon.